Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix meter probe not connecting, reset, pair and reconnect guide. Fix 1. Power cycle the charger and probe. Step 1. Place the meter probe back into the charger. Step 2. Leave it in the charger for about 10 seconds. Step 3. Remove the probe and wait a few seconds. Step 4. Open the meter app and check if the probe reconnects. Step 2. Check the battery and reset. Step 1. Check that the charger has sufficient battery power. Step 2. Replace the AAA battery or recharge the charger if needed. Step 3. Insert the probe into the charger for a few seconds. Step 4. Remove the probe to reset the connection and try pairing again. Fix 3. Repair to your device. Step 1. Turn Bluetooth off and back on your phone. Step 2. Open the meter app and remove the existing probe connection. Step 3. Place the probe near your phone. Step 4. Tap Add Probe in the app and follow the pairing instructions. Step 5. Wait for the connection to complete and confirm the probe appears in the app. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.